everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Layout for Simple Stories Saturday, where a bunch of amazing crafters get together. I'm not calling myself amazing, everyone else is amazing, but a bunch of crafters get together and just play with simple stories. We do it once a month. And yeah, Joanne Bartel kind of head this up. She also has Pink Fresh Fridays, which I'm hoping to jump back into the swing of things and maybe do. But for now, I will just pop in here every once in a while when I remember and have time. I am playing with Simple Stories. I think it's Happy Travels. I don't remember. I actually made this a while ago and I was like, I'm going to be ahead of schedule. And I'm just voicing over just like prior to it needing to be posted. So I got ahead to a point. But I'm also playing with 30 Days of Sketches, a very old one. This was a sketch by Katie Scott of Scrapping Sisters. I love this one, and I saw the papers in this collection and I was immediately like, I need to scrapbook this. I'm also going to apologize right now. I didn't know that my mount got tipped. So for some reason it's tipped away. And so you see more of my junk around my mat than the layout. Luckily, not a lot happens on the lower half of the layout, so I promise you're not missing much. I just feel bad that it just looks really wonky and just out of place. You will see the rest of the layout later, but for now, this is what you get. So luckily, the paper does a lot of the design for itself. I don't have to do much, and that's what I love about layouts like this and collections like this, and then having a sketch to throw back to. It's amazing. So the sketch I will have shown you. Yes, I should have shown you. And then I'm just playing with some of the little bits and pieces that come in the kit. This is a scrap room kit that I recently got from their Flavors of the Month. And so it comes with some embellishments, just a few papers and a couple coordinating card stacks. So it's like everything you need to create 2 to 3 pages, which is awesome. So I'm playing with all the things that came with it, as well as some stickers, and then I'm grabbing some items from my stash from Some Assemblage Required. I have 2 of these wood veneer leafy bits left. I'm going to tuck in, and then I have these awesome paper wreaths that I'm going to use as well. I'm going to use a green one, and then a cream one. And I'm going to put them in 3 different areas around the page, kind of surrounding the photos, just to create that triangle of interest. And then I also have a film strip I'm going to layer behind. It's actually a sticker behind the photos on the left. And then there's all these fun little there's some foam stickers as well. And I'm going to grab some wood veneer stickers from Colorcast Designs. I'm using tons of stuff, and I actually use up a bunch of stuff from my stash, which is really nice. I like whenever I can use items from my stash and get stash used. It makes me feel good because, yeah. But these are 2 photos. I'm so close to having my sister's family vacation album done for their trip to Florida last spring. So these are just a couple photos from a park they got to play at a few times that was nearby where they were staying. And so I had to document those. And what I love is that this little ephemera piece came with this clip, and then that I've tucked down in the left below that left photo, and it says Rush, just kidding, you're on vacation. And so the title kind of reads Rush Places, and then says just kidding, you're on vacation. And then the wood veneers from Colorcast Design says soak up the sun. And there's like a tiny little foam like pin and a foam what are those location things called? I can't think. My brain just it just flew out of my brain. There's a foam one of those with a heart, and then an enamel or a sticky brad. So just an enamel framed thing, and then this big ephemera piece that says date that I stamp just March of 2024. And a camera, and just a lot of good little bits that came in the kit. So I was able to use a lot of what came in the kit, but then also supplement with my stash and get some things used up, which is always great. And then at the very end, I will take a white gel pen and just do a messy outline of just the blue cardstock. that is around. But yeah, this is one of those photos that are, or one of those pages that go in the album that there isn't necessarily a need for journaling, but if my sister absolutely wanted to, she could. She could also even just journal on the back of it, but I know, knowing my sister, she probably won't get to it. So if I don't have to put journaling on anything, I don't, or just keep it minimal, a minimal spot, so she doesn't feel like she has to write a book or anything about it. But that is all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the links to everybody else who is playing with Simple Story Saturday below. Here are some close-ups. I appreciate you. And we'll talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye.